In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Canva. Whether you're designing a social media post, an infographic, or any kind of visual content, being able to easily upload and use your own images can significantly enhance your creative process. So, let's walk through this step by step and get you up to speed with the uploading process on Canva. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Canva website. Make sure you're logged into your account to have access to all your personal design spaces and tools. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by Canva's clean and intuitive interface, where you're just a few clicks away from getting your images right where you need them. Now, look just under the search bar. You'll see a button labeled Upload Add Media. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to pull in files directly from your computer or even cloud storage services you may have linked to your Canva account. The next step is straightforward. Click on Upload Files. This action will open up a File Explorer window on your device. From here, simply navigate to the image file you wish to upload. It's as easy as double-clicking the file or selecting it and hitting that Open button. With your file successfully uploaded, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to use it. You can click on Use in a New Design, which is particularly useful if you want to start a project from scratch with your new image at its core. Here you can specify dimensions for your new canvas. Clicking on Custom Size allows you to enter your desired dimensions. For demonstration purposes, let's go with a square size of 1080 by 1080 pixels. But remember, Canva accommodates a variety of dimensions, from as small as 40 by 40 pixels to as large as 8000 by 3125 pixels. Perfect for any project size. Once you're happy with your settings, click on Create New Design. This will open up a new workspace where your uploaded image is ready to be worked on. You can add text, elements, or leave it as is, depending on your creative requirement. Alternatively, if you're already working on a project or want to access your uploads later, hover over the left menu panel and click on the Uploads icon. This menu allows you to drag and drop new images directly, or select files via the Upload Files button. Also, for quicker access, you can head over to the File tab at the upper left corner of the page, which allows you to upload images directly into your current design project. If you're dealing with a larger collection of images, don't fret. Canva also supports batch uploads. You can select a folder and drag it directly into Canva, or use the Upload Folder option to get all your images uploaded at once. This is particularly helpful when working with extensive projects, saving you time and effort. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough of uploading images to Canva. These simple steps let you incorporate your personal graphics into any Canva project, offering endless creative possibilities. Happy designing!